Hey Simon, how you doing, man? I wanted you to see this. I basically just bolted down the injector rail just with two bolts here, but reasonably tight. And I wanted you to kind of see what's going on here, just to make sure you're comfortable with it. I think it was designed actually to be at somewhat of an angle. I mean, yeah, it'd be perfect to have them straight, but I think they kind of sit in there. I kind of felt them by hand, and they almost sit in there at an angle. Now, I'm not putting much pressure on here. It's just gently snug, and I can, rotate the injector here. Same goes for this one here. I just wanted you to see that, I can, not much pressure. It's not loose, but it's not real tight either. So maybe that gives you a better feel for whether these things will seal up. I think the tip ring, seals around the barrel more than it does against the face, because the injectors don't have any seal against the actual tip itself. It's above that, like a ring on a piston almost. Anyway, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later.